Hi everyone, this is Valentina from Vrksasana. Today we're going to look at how to practice Pincha Mayurasana, also known as forearm stand. So I'll use a block here. It's one of my favorite variation. It keeps my arms and shoulders engaged. Keep in mind that it's very important in this posture that you resist back with the deltoids, with the tops of the shoulders back, okay? So the shoulders will stay in line with the elbows the whole time as you come into this inversion. Also important to notice that your head should not touch the ground, and you also want to stay stable so that you don't fall down towards the block. Okay, so this is me sinking, this is me lifting up. I'll walk my feet in closer to my elbows. I'm about, actually, let's say 1 inch away from the wall. And I'll lift one leg up. Okay, from here you can start practicing your hops. So you'll bend one knee and bring your hips towards the wall. Eventually both of your legs will come up. You're going to scrape your heels up the wall. If you like to, you can also relax your head. To balance, you're going to bend one knee, bring your sacrum in, and then work on holding your balance right there. Okay, keep pushing down into your forearms to lift up through your shoulders. Core engages and legs are strong. To come down, slowly take one leg down, the other foot down, and relax in child's pose. Thank you.